Hi Jennifer, this is Christine Binger. In reviewing your video, overall your presentation is great. I felt like you broke up the information really well into understood categories that progressed throughout the presentation. I appreciate that you included a specific quote that asked teachers to reflect on the why of the assessment. This is something that is oftentimes missed, and I wanted to use, and when wanting to use assessment data, it's important to point out these pieces of the puzzles for teachers, because you shouldn't just be giving assessments for the sake of giving assessments. So what's the why and what are we looking for are important to highlight. So I think it's great that you pointed that out. This is also something that I realize I probably need to do more. While I analyze the why for myself, I don't voice it in meetings or in anything like that. So I think that I should be, more outspoken about that with my colleagues so that we can assess what we're doing and why we're doing it. But you bring up some great points in your whole presentation, and I think they are ones that we should consider as we continue through education. Overall, I thought you did a great job.